Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Trisha Nicole and this is my closet. So y'all, the outfit of the day is my halter top that I cut from a tee. The back is out. Got the back out. Okay. I have on my denim shorts, distressed jean shorts from American Eagle. I have on my low cut black Converse. Okay. Yeah. I have my mini micro Coach bag, and today I'm adding another accessory. I'm gonna wear my Gucci shades. Okay, and I have on silver accessories and my hoop earrings, and yeah, and the fragrance of the day is Viva Vanilla from Bath and Body Works. So yeah, today we're headed outside. We're going outside, y'all. We're headed up to Red, White, and Blue Ash. Blue Ash is a neighborhood outside of Cincinnati, and they throw a big block party for 4th of July. So that's where we're headed today. We're going to go up there. We're going to enjoy the block party, the music, the drinks, and the food. And then at the end, we'll enjoy the fireworks. So yeah. Get your fan, get your water, get what you need, girl, because it's a scorcher out there. And let's head up to Blue Ash. I'll see you guys in the car. So y'all, we're headed to Blue Ash, like I told y'all before. Takes us about to go this way about 10 minutes, not even 10, about 7 minutes. But because it's so crowded up there, I can't even remember the number of the amount of people that's supposed to be showing up for these fireworks. So yeah, it's about to be crowded. I hope they got ice cream, because I want ice cream. Okay. But yeah, this is my exit. So I'm about to get off this exit, and then I'm gonna see y'all once we get there, once we get out the car. Hopefully it's not a lot of music playing where I can get a lot of footage. Okay, so hold on, y'all. Hopefully I'm able to get enough footage, because I know it's gonna be music playing, because like I said, it's a block party. They call it I don't know what they call it, but you know us, we call it a block party. So that's what it is today. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we get there. So y'all, I had to park like 50 freaking blocks away. It's so crowded up here. So now I'm walking to get to the park where they're doing the festivities. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna turn around for y'all to see. Ain't really nothing to see. It's a bunch of cars. Everybody came down here to park. But yeah, so let's go. Okay, y'all, so we made it. A ton of people here. Tons of people. Tons, you hear me? So we just looking for ice cream. That's what we looking for, ice cream. You don't even know where they're going. Vlogging. Hi. You know why kids love vloggers. Okay, y'all, here come the music. So I will talk to y'all in a second. So y'all, we about to get us some vodka soda, whatever that is. What flavor is it? Orange and blue. What's that other one? Blackberry. Blackberry. Give me orange and blue. Yeah. So we got to get vodka soda, whatever that is, y'all. Vodka soda.
Yes, sir.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Yep.
Okay, so y'all, this tastes like ginger ale, I guess. Orange ginger ale, I guess. Yeah. 0 out of 10. I will not recommend. 0, okay? This is disgusting. It's like,
kind of fire.
I don't know. Like, it got a flavor, but it don't got a flavor. Like, what? But yeah. I'ma drink it though, child. I'ma drink it.
Dangerous, moving so close we can bust. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We both scared of love, moving so close we can bust.
So y'all, we found Grater's ice cream. Y'all know nothing about this. Y'all know about this. What y'all know about? Look what I found. I found my favorite food, y'all. But look at the line. Insane. Yeah. I'm gonna get me some fries.
Too big and you need 2 hands. Doesn't like you catching the body and you in G stand. Doesn't like it's casual Friday and you here too then. Call love, I know what's up. Can't get enough. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We both dangerous, moving so close we can bust. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We both scared of love, moving so close we can bust. Is it bad that I want more? Pressure, I won't learn my lesson. I want you to stretch it, limit want you to test it. I know.
So y'all, I had an okay time. Y'all see my shoes? I took them off. For some reason, I can't be in Converse for a long time, but yeah. But I had an okay time. The spritzer, it was a spritzer, right? And ice cream was good. The ice cream was good. But the fries, y'all, I didn't even get the fries. Can y'all believe I did not get the fries? I didn't get the fries because they wanted $10 for the fries, y'all. Who paying $10 for French fries? Who? I'm not paying $10 for potatoes. Okay? I told you just said, sir. I love potatoes, but I don't love them that much. So I just found out I don't love them as much as I thought I did. $10, y'all, they crazy. So, but I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I'm walking back to the car because they got these kids up here this year and it's just a mess. So we're walking back to the car. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Thank you for viewing. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Did I say thank you for viewing? And until next time, hold on. Until next time.
We both scared of love, moving so close we can bust.